Located on Southgate Street between Sanford Hall and Charles E. Davis Aerospace Engineering Hall and across the street from Ingram Hall is the oldest building in Auburn. Auburn University's very own Langdon Hall has the title of being the oldest building in Auburn. Originally built as a chapel for the Auburn Female College in 1864, it was later moved to Auburn University in 1883. Langdon Hall is not the original name of the building, but was named such in 1889 after Charles Carter Langdon, former mayor of Alabama, Alabama Secretary of State, trustee of Auburn from 1972 to 1889, and Confederate soldier during the Civil War. After construction, Langdon Hall held the largest auditorium in East Alabama. The chemistry laboratory of the Auburn Female College was on the lower level of the building. Even before the Civil War, the building was used as the center of debates on the Southern secession. In the morning, debates that were for seceding from the Union would occur, with debates for remaining attached with the Union occurring in the afternoon. During the Civil War, the purpose of Langdon Hall became more important as a hospital for Confederate troops. The chapel eventually made its way to Alabama Agriculture and Mechanical College, today's Auburn University. The chapel was taken down on site and then transferred to Alabama Agriculture and Mechanical College, where it was reassembled. Once reassembled, the old chemistry laboratory became the woodworking and mechanical engineering laboratories. When one of the main buildings burned on campus, the Langdon Hall Auditorium was divided into 4 classrooms and an assembly room. During the late 1800s, the tower was removed and the building was bricked over in Greek Revival style. By the 20th century, Langdon Hall hosted classes, motion pictures, commencements, music performances, and even pep rallies. Langdon Hall also held the engineering department on the lower floor, which eventually moved out in 1921. After the engineering department left, the lower floor became home to the home economics department. Later, in 1924, the lower floor became the YMCA and the Student Center in 1933. In 1950, the auditorium was remodeled and the lower floor became offices, leading Langdon Hall to serve as an auditorium and personnel offices today. Langdon Hall also houses the Department of the Registrar today. Located behind Langdon Hall is the Langdon Annex, home to the Department of Sustainability and the Langdon Steam Plant.